Have you ever found yourself looking at your bank account balance and feeling that mix of frustration and despair even after a month of hard work? Maybe you receive a decent salary, but it seems to evaporate within days, leaving you feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of bills to pay and zero financial progress. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. The problem is not just how much you earn, but how you manage what comes in. Many of us focus only on income, forgetting to create a solid foundation to keep that money in our lives. The good news? There is a way out, and it starts with some practical and effective changes. In this video, we will unveil the strategies that can change your relationship with money once and for all. I'll show you how to create an effective budget, eliminate high-cost debt, automate your savings, and even generate new sources of income to ensure your financial future is more stable and secure. Imagine having the peace of mind of an emergency fund and seeing your investments grow month after month, all without extreme sacrifices. If you want to take control of your financial life and take the first steps towards prosperity, stay until the end of this video and subscribe to the channel now. Why? Because here you find practical, direct content that really transforms. Imagine that John, a dedicated worker, was going through a difficult time. He received a reasonable salary every month, but even so, he always ended the month with a zero account. One day, after another episode of anxiety when he saw his account empty a few days after payment, he decided that he needed to change his relationship with money. It was at that moment that he discovered a simple but powerful secret that transformed his financial life forever. Joel realized that the problem was not how much he earned, but how he dealt with what he received. Always focused only on the inflow of money, he had never considered the importance of retaining part of that amount. The salary entered the account and was soon lost in planned and impulsive expenses, leaving him vulnerable to any unforeseen event. He then decided he needed a strategy. He began to observe how successful people treated money. He discovered that the real difference between making and having money lies in a simple concept: building a reserve. Joao understood that until he had a part of his salary saved, he would always be stuck in the cycle of receiving and spending. So he took action. He set a goal of saving 20% of his salary every month. At first, it was difficult. Giving up small pleasures, like lunches out and unnecessary purchases, felt like a sacrifice. However, he noticed that each time he managed to save a little, the feeling of security grew. Within a few months, Joao's emergency fund began to take shape. The transformation was clear. Now, when an unexpected expense arose, Joao did not despair. He had the confidence of knowing he was protected. The feeling of control over his finances gave Joao a peace of mind he had never experienced before. And so, that ordinary worker began to walk a different path, a path where he not only made money, but had money, and that difference changed everything for him. Joao never forgot how his relationship with money had changed. When his friends complained about always being broke, he remembered how he had been there too. Earning well doesn't mean having money, he used to say. This lesson led him to share his experience, helping other people understand the true secret of financial peace of mind. As time passed, Joao not only maintained his emergency fund, but also began looking for ways to increase his income. He became interested in investments and financial education, something that previously seemed complicated and distant. Every small step I took in this new world brought more confidence and knowledge. Joao learned about the power of compound interest and how investing a portion of his savings could generate additional income over time. With this new mindset, he created a broader plan, a strategy that combined savings, investment, and spending control. Now, he understood that, in addition to earning and saving, it was essential to make money work for him. This vision allowed him to not only maintain a reserve, but also begin to build an asset. John realized that the problem was not how much he earned, but how he dealt with what he received. Always focused only on the inflow of money, he had never considered the importance of retaining part of that amount. The salary entered the account and was soon lost in planned and impulsive expenses, leaving him vulnerable to any unforeseen event. He then decided he needed a strategy. He began to observe how successful people treated money. He discovered that the real difference between making and having money lies in a simple concept: building a reserve. Joao understood that until he had a part of his salary saved, he would always be stuck in the cycle of receiving and spending. So he took action. He set a goal of saving 20% of his salary every month. At first, it was difficult. Giving up small pleasures, like lunches out and unnecessary purchases, felt like a sacrifice. However, he noticed that each time he managed to save a little, the feeling of security grew. Within a few months, Joao's emergency fund began to take shape. The transformation was clear. Now, when an unexpected expense arose, Joao did not despair. He had the confidence of knowing he was protected. The feeling of control over his finances gave Joao a peace of mind he had never experienced before. And so, that ordinary worker began to walk a different path. A path where he not only made money, but had money, and that difference changed everything for him. Joao never forgot how his relationship with money had changed. When his friends complained about always being broke, he remembered how he had been there too. Earning well doesn't mean having money, he used to say. This lesson led him to share his experience, helping other people understand the true secret of financial peace of mind. As time passed, Joao not only maintained his emergency fund, but also began looking for ways to increase his income. He became interested in investments and financial education, something that previously seemed complicated and distant. Every small step I took in this new world brought more confidence and knowledge. Joao learned about the power of compound interest and how investing a portion of his savings could generate additional income over time. With this new mindset, he created a broader plan, a strategy that combined savings, investment, and spending control. Now, he understood that, in addition to earning and saving, it was essential to make money work for him. This vision allowed him to not only maintain a reserve, but also begin to build an asset. Joao was proud to see how his financial life had changed. The fear of running out of money turned into rock-solid security. He knew that with discipline and focus, anyone could break out of the cycle of financial anxiety. With each passing month, he saw his reserves growing and his investments paying off. It was more than just having money saved. It was having a life with less worries and more freedom to enjoy what really mattered. Joao's story is a powerful reminder that financial change doesn't happen overnight, but with effort and persistence. Transforming the way we deal with money starts with simple, daily decisions. And that's how Joao, an ordinary worker, became an example of how small adjustments can lead to great achievements. Now that you've seen how Joao transformed his relationship with money, it's time to reflect on how you can apply this to your life. One of the fundamental points in taking the first step towards financial stability is creating a detailed budget. A well-structured budget is the basis that allows you to fully understand your financial situation and make informed decisions about where to cut expenses and where to invest. Many people think budgeting is complicated, but it's actually a straightforward process. First, list all your sources of income, such as salary, extra work, or other financial input. Then, make a complete list of your monthly expenses, including everything from fixed bills, such as rent and energy, to small daily expenses, such as that coffee at the bakery. Once you have a clear picture of how much money comes in and goes out of your account each month, you'll be able to identify areas where you can save. You may realize that you are spending too much on subscriptions to services you don't even use, or that some impulse purchases can be avoided. Reducing or eliminating these superfluous expenses is an essential step to redirecting more resources to your savings and investments. The secret is in discipline and constancy. Joao, for example, realized that the key to financial success was not just saving every now and then, but creating a solid habit of saving every month, regardless of changes in his expenses. Thus, he ensured that his savings always grew, even if slowly but steadily. Now, For those of you who want to take the next step, I ask you to leave a like on this content if you are committed to making changes in your financial life. This simple gesture helps us reach more people who also need these valuable tips and, of course, shows that you are ready to transform your finances. Let's go together in this search for balance and financial freedom. Creating a detailed budget is just the beginning of achieving financial stability. The next crucial step is to eliminate high-cost debt, especially those that carry high interest, like credit card debt. These debts often consume a significant portion of monthly income and hinder the ability to save and invest. To get started, make a list of all your debts and arrange them in order of interest rate, from highest to lowest. Prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, as they generate the most expenses in the long term. This strategy, called avalanche, helps minimize the impact of interest on your budget and allows you to pay off your debts more efficiently. If immediate payment of all debts is not feasible, consider renegotiating terms with creditors. Many companies are willing to offer lower rates or extended terms to avoid default. Additionally, focus on redirecting any extra money, such as bonuses or sporadic work, towards paying off these debts. Joao, for example, faced this challenge when he realized that his credit card debt was growing quickly. He decided to cut unnecessary expenses and allocate more of his income to eliminating this debt as soon as possible. With discipline and focus, in a few months he managed to considerably reduce his debts and found himself in a more comfortable position to start saving and investing. Eliminating high-cost debt not only alleviates immediate financial stress, but also frees up resources that can be redirected toward investments and wealth building. This step is essential to ensure that the money you earn actually works for you, not against you. Now, how about starting to review your debts and draw up a plan to eliminate them? Financial stability is closer than you think. Another point that can transform your financial life is to automate your savings. When you receive your salary and then a portion of it is automatically transferred to a savings or investment account, the temptation to spend decreases significantly. This practice helps to create consistent financial discipline, as you get used to living without having that amount set aside for savings. Automating your savings can be done simply by setting up automatic transfers at your bank or using applications that help with financial management. Over time, this method becomes a natural habit, and your reserve grows steadily. Even if your monthly expenses vary, your commitment to saving remains firm. Joao's experience with this approach was revealing. After paying off his debts, he decided to automate his savings. Each month, as soon as he received his salary, a portion was automatically transferred to an investment account. This not only simplified the process, but also increased your chances of maintaining solid financial growth. The feeling of seeing his reserves multiply, even without having to actively think about it, gave him a new perspective on financial planning and control. If you haven't tried this practice yet, consider starting with a small percentage of your salary. Consistency is the key to transforming your financial habits and achieving the peace of mind and security you're looking for. Furthermore, adopting conscious consumption habits is essential to maintain control over your finances. Before you go shopping, make a detailed list of what you really need and avoid impulse purchases. This simple act helps keep your expenses in line with your real needs and reduces the possibility of unnecessary expenses. Researching prices, using coupons, and taking advantage of promotions are effective strategies for saving. Even though it may seem like a small effort, the long-term impact can be significant. For example, Joao discovered that by planning his purchases in advance and comparing prices, he was able to save a good amount every month, which was put towards a savings account. These practices not only help to optimize the budget, but also strengthen the responsible consumption mentality. By cultivating the habit of thinking before you buy, you can maximize the value of your money and ensure that each expense is well thought out. The result is more efficient and sustainable financial management, which makes it easier to achieve your long-term goals. Incorporating these strategies into your daily life may seem challenging at first, but over time, they become second nature. And do you usually plan your purchases, or do you make a lot of impulse purchases? Reflect on this and see how small changes can make a big difference in your pocket. After creating a detailed budget, eliminating high-cost debt, automating your savings, and adopting conscious consumption, the next step is to increase your sources of income. Diversifying your income can be the key to building wealth and ensuring lasting financial stability. This can include extra work, such as freelance work, small businesses, or even investments that generate passive income. Thinking about ways to generate additional income not only increases your monthly cash flow, but also creates an extra reserve that can be invested to increase your wealth. Joao, after stabilizing his finances, began doing consultancy work in his area of expertise. With the extra money, he was able to invest in real estate funds and stocks, which brought a new source of passive income. Explore your skills and interests to find extra work opportunities. If you enjoy writing, consider freelance writing. If you have knowledge in a specific area, private classes or consultancies could be a good option. The important thing is to find something that complements your income without overloading your routine. Expanding your sources of income is a powerful way to accelerate the building of your wealth and ensure a more secure and comfortable financial life. Start by identifying your skills and see how they can be turned into profitable opportunities. To take a step further in financial security, it is vital to have a well-structured emergency fund. This reserve acts as a shield in times of unforeseen events, such as the loss of a job or unexpected medical expenses. Ideally, it should cover at least 6 months of your living costs, ensuring that you have time to reorganize yourself without having to take out loans or go into debt. Joao understood the importance of this when an unforeseen event arose in his life. Luckily, he had already started building his emergency fund. This fund allowed him to face the situation without despair and without compromising his financial stability. The feeling of having this support brought a peace he hadn't known before. If you don't already have an emergency fund, start slowly. Set aside a fixed amount every month and watch it grow little by little. The important thing is to start even with smaller amounts. Over time, your reserve will become a fundamental pillar of your financial security, allowing you to navigate challenges with greater peace of mind and confidence. Finally, don't underestimate the power of long-term investments. With your emergency fund secured, you can start investing in stocks, real estate funds, or other assets that generate passive income. Time is one of the investor's greatest allies, and the sooner you start, the greater the benefits will be. Compound interest is a powerful tool that makes your money grow exponentially over the years. Joao discovered this when starting his first investments. Even with modest monthly contributions, he realized that over time, the gains accumulated and accelerated the growth of his assets. The secret is to maintain consistency and not get carried away by market fluctuations. Investing regularly and focusing on long-term goals guarantees a growing and solid income. So, start planning your investments today. Research, learn, and diversify your applications to take advantage of the growth potential of your capital. The road to financial independence may seem long, but every step counts and brings you closer to a financially stable and prosperous life. If you like this content and are committed to transforming your financial life, subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and share this material with friends and family. Your support not only helps us continue producing relevant content, but also helps more people discover how to improve their finances. And remember, by commenting on your impressions and questions, you enrich our community and help more people learn and be motivated. Let's go together towards a more conscious and prosperous financial life.